Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here, and this video is for you. If you are involved in this make money online world, but you are needing something to work like fast, like now. Like so many times, I'll get a support ticket or I'll get emails, or I'll just hear people say, hey Devon, I'm thinking of buying this from you, or I'm thinking of buying that from you. But here's the thing, I'm in a really bad position and I really need it to work now. One of the questions that people ask me is, how much money can I make? How fast? How quickly can I make $1,000? If you are in that position where you are asking that question, right? If you are coming from that place of desperation in this whole make money online thing, this video is for you, and it's a little bit of real talk. And understand where I'm coming from here. I'm not coming from a place of judging, because Lord knows I was there. I'm not. I was the guy who jumped into an opportunity in January and said, how quickly can I make a bunch of money? And didn't make a lot of money, and then I jumped into something else in March, and I was like, how quickly can I make the money? And I didn't make the money, and I jumped into something else in May, and that was me. So I kind of know what I'm talking about here. I'm speaking from experience. Here's what I want to tell you. If you are currently in that place of desperation, and you need some opportunity to work for you, lickety-split, stop. Stop. Get a job. Get a job. And I'm not saying that to be a smartass. I'm dead serious. Like there's a negative stigma sometimes in our world, right, about jobs. And let me tell you, jobs are awesome. And the reason they're awesome is because when you are first starting off as an entrepreneur, there is a learning curve. There is lag time. There's time between the day you sign up for some opportunity and the time where you're able to earn a full-time income from that opportunity. And that's usually months, if not years. Okay? And in reality, more often than not, it's going to cost you, whatever opportunity you join, whatever thing you're doing is going to cost you a lot more than it makes you at first. So how are you going to pay your bills? How are you going to take care of your family? The answer is a job. Right? But Devon, job, J-O-B means just over broke. Well, not having a job and spending a crap load of money on this crap means you're definitely broke. You're just under broke. So let's throw away the bad stigma of having a job. If you've got one, awesome, keep it. I'll be honest with you. I had a job and it paid me pretty good money. I was living at home with my mom at the time. This is back in the early 2000s, and I used the money from my job to invest into my business, and I was able to grow my business more quickly because I had the money. So get a job, take care of yourself, put food on the table, make sure the roof is over your head, right? Do that first. Then take what you've got left over and invest it into your business. Invest it in growing your list, invest it in one-on-one mentoring. Those are probably two of the smartest things you can invest it in. And understand that it's a process, not an event, and this whole thing takes time. But bottom line, if you are coming from a place of desperation where you need something to work tomorrow, where you have the want to email me and say, Devon, if I jump into your program today, how quickly can I make $2,000? I'm going to tell you, go get a job. Don't join my program or anything else. That is the honest truth, and I'm telling you that because I love you and I want you to be successful. All right? Hope that makes sense. If you found this video real or helpful or anything like it, comment on it, share it. You know, all that good stuff, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.